Hello, my name is Rakshit Mittal.
Hello, my name is Shivansh Khemka.
So we are here basically the core part of the debate team, and we've participated in about 8 debates now, and there are more to come in this year.
In which we have won around 2 or 3. The highlights being our host debate, that is the GD Birla Memorial debate or the Birla School Kalyan debate. And it has been a wonderful experience till now. And we don't know what mysteries will unfold in the future, but we are all ready for it.
So let's start with the first debate. The first one was the mod debate in Modern School Barakhamba Road or Vasant Vihar, and it's been conducted in Delhi. So there we came up to the semi-finals, and it was the first experience our school had in debates. So it had been quite a wonderful experience and a first time experience for us.
After that, we had visited the place called Nabha, in which the school named PPS. We had a quick debate over there, in which, though we couldn't grab up to the semi-finals, we backed the best turncoat speaker in the first round.
So yeah, that was Shivansh Khemka bagging the best turncoat debater over there. And the next debate which we participated in was,
Birla School Kalyan debate, in which we backed the first place, and Master Rakshit Mittal backed the best speaker.
So over there we came up to the finals, and in the finals against us was Birla School Kalyan, the host team, and we bagged the first position over there with me getting the best debater finals award. And that was the first debate which our school had won, like a first prize.
And the next day, we again won our host debate, that was the GD Birla, in which we won the debate, and a very interesting round took place called the block and tackle under a very good debater and a leading theaterist named Pranam Mukherjee. He's been there for mostly all our debates, after which we traveled to Mumbai to a school named Singapore International School, where though we couldn't reach to the semi-finals, we backed the best extempore speaker by Master Rakshit Mittal.
So yeah, that was a very good experience, because participating in debates is like something great. Debate is not only limited to the stage or to just the podium on which you speak, but it also moves on to your life and to everything which you do. Everything which you do has a debate in it. Whether you should do it or not, you debate it.
We had an unforgettable experience at the MCGs, that is the Mayo College Girls School in Ajmer, where though it was a very good experience, and we backed the best turncoat speaker, and it was an experience that we'll remember, and in the future upcoming years we can improve on our performances and do better for our school.
Again, Khemka came to the rescue over there. We backed the best turncoat debater in the first round, and the judges told us that we narrowly missed it to coming to the second round. So that was a very great experience for us, because we could participate with all the IPSC schools from overall India, all over India, and it was something great, something which we hadn't experienced before. It was a totally different league and a different level, and we quite tried to live up to our expectations, giving our best, and there were more debates to come. The next one was?
In all these debates, the best part was the BKBC faculty, an open-minded principal and a beautiful English department, with all the departments, all the teachers being very supportive, be it the SST department or the maths. Everyone tried to put in a little bit, give us the points that we needed. This is the one thing that we liked about our school, and obviously the parents reacted in a very positive manner, because they love what we do. Their happiness is in what we feel happy to do. And when they came to know that we have won so many debates, gone to so many places, they said that though we may not have won all our debates, but they said winning and losing is a part and parcel of a game. Participation and having experience is the best part. So they have always been supportive towards us.
Yes, that's right. A support from the school is one of the most important things, because the school is what builds up a student. A student is just wet cement on which anything can make an impression, and that's what our school is doing, helping us to be good citizens and responsible citizens who not only know something about almost something, but know something about everything. That is what's important in today's world, because everyone should know something about everything, or something about, he should be well versed with everything, so he can make small talk with people, or come up with being a more a person who is socially more approvable, or he can speak and he's more smart, because today we do not only want hard work but smart work too, and that is what debates help us in doing.
The best thing about BC that we like is that in this school, academics, co-curriculars and sports run parallel. We do not rest. Like if exams come up, still we go for debates, because the school understands that an overall student is a gem that passes out from BKBC, and hence it supports us in on the fields, be it sports. Thank you.
Thank you.